To start our service, let's have an opening reading and an affirmative prayer. Today I'm reading from Todd Michael, The 12 Conditions of a Miracle. And in it he wrote, "Miracle workers are invariably filled with gratitude. There is not a whiner or a complainer among them." So let's put these positive suggestions to work in our lives through affirmative prayer. I'm going to do this prayer in the first person. Take it in for yourself. Say something that works for you, hold tight to that. Say something that doesn't work for you, just let that part slide by. But just know this truth with me today. There's but one God, one mind, one power, and that power is perfect love, and that power is flowing through me. With gratitude, I now open my mind and my eyes to all the blessings in my life. I know I have come to life to experience God's love, God's health and prosperity. It's available to me. So today I open my arms wide and accept all the blessings Spirit has for me. This is my truth. I celebrate this right knowing, and I release this prayer into the mind of God to do its good and perfect, bold and dynamic work, returning to me multiplied abundantly. And together we say, and so it is. Hi, this is Reverend Ken. Thank you for joining us today. Be sure to like and share our video and comment on the video. It will mean a great deal to us. It will help spread our message out to a wider audience. So again, be sure to like us, to make a comment about us, or to share it with all your friends. It will do a great deal of good. Thank you so much.